Cheerble Board Game, a new interactive toy and a perfect companion for your cat. This multifunctional board is a great place for your cat to play, exercise, nap, and, of course, chase the cheerble ball. Pick the ideal one for your cats to release their energy and cheer them up. It is so lightweight and completely portable, so your cat can have limitless options to play and have fun in any corner of the house. A cheerble ball makes cheerble board games so unique. Rolling, hiding, and chasing by its smart gene, Cheerble Ball keeps your cat engaged all day long. With synthetic fiber material, outer shell, and light effects, this magic ball is made to please your cat's senses of touch and sight. This smart ball keeps your cat moving to stay fit in a happy way.